So guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm very grateful for everyone. So today I take a video for related to my dark circle. How to you can hide dark circle. Okay. So today I teach you. Hide how to your dark circle hide. How to do your dark circle hide. Can you see? So guys, keep watching, keep learning, and I'm creating dark circle. I have already, but I'm creating also. And tell me, I want to ask one question. Can I ask? Okay, I'm asking. What is difference of concealer and foundation? Okay, give me answer in comment box, and who's gives right answer, I subscribe. I'm subscribing that channel. I give you subscribe back. Will you not subscribe back? Like follow back. Same is subscribe back. Creating circle. Here and second side, I'm creating very light dark circle. You can see. So now, tell you how to conceal what are doing. How to do concealing. Okay, do we have to need first of all how much you can watch your dark circle is very darkness. So first of all you have to need, don't take fair concealer. Okay, don't take very orange and red concealer. First, I give you a hack. You take a concealer little bit quantity, and after you take second lipstick, anything you can color it and pinching here. Putting here, and now you can see I'm blending and I'm perfect blending on it. Now I'm applying. You can see very easily it's hide. Okay, so you don't know how to hide dark circle. This video may be helpful for you. You watch till end and understand better what do we have to need to you. So and second things, I take concealer also. And this concealer is very not much more dark. It's very warm shade. I'm concealing, and you can see now easily hide my dark circle. You can see. Okay. So next time you don't do mistake same repeated. Don't. Now maybe you can understand better. You take fair concealer and put directly. Never to do. Okay. It's raw. It's very it is wrong technique never to do, and please correct yourself if do good makeup. I'm taking here a direct warm shade because I'm not using peach color. I'm using warm color because it's very light. You can see. Yes, it's perfect blending. So, if you want to know about my channel, so please follow me on Instagram. I give you link in description box. Please follow me on Instagram. Okay, and comment. And sometimes I think I have to need create blogging video like cooking and things. I have to need. Please comment in comment box. Okay. Now I am learning you how to do blush on your face. I am applying only cheek cheekbone, round shape, and here I'm applying L shape. So you can see when I am applying this side only like this, it's very fluffy and cheekbone it's outside, and I'm applying L shape. So you can see it. You can see, look at here, it's lifted. You see, it is lifted, and here is fluffy, and you can see difference also. Okay, now I'm teaching you another V shape and then here W shape. W shape. Okay, here and like this. So which one you like more? Tell me guys, which one you like more? If you like this video and learn more things, please subscribe my channel and press bell icon and like my channel also. Okay. I learn you effects and apply again concealer and blending. Yeah, because I learn you another blush technique. So you can see. I don't know how to create many videos, many things I know, but maybe I'm do good things, good to do. So I have to need to apply. I'm creating other things, other blush. Okay, you can see many things. First, you can see rounded blushing. After that, L shape. After that, W shape. So now I'm V shape and triangle shape. I show you. So V shape also. First, I'm creating V shape. Okay. Now here I'm creating triangle shape. Triangle. Like this. Do you like more? It's triangle shape, triangle, and it's V shape. This position up. You can see it. So it's enough for today. We will meet again in next part, next video. If you like video and what do you want? Now I'm applying lipstick, okay, and I don't do like this. So if you like my video, so comment me and subscribe my channel and follow more. What do you understand from my video? I'm applying lipstick right now. And lipstick is red. I'm applying red color. Guys, sorry. Yeah, they are like directly. What you learn from my video, from my looks, comment me and which topic we have to need to create. Tell me guys, I hope you are good. If you want to learn anything, so I will teach you blusher and how to technique is blusher and how to hide your dark circle. 2 tips I give you. So you watch till end this video, and if you like this video, so please subscribe my channel and share with your friend. Okay, so watch till end and enjoy full video. And if you want to, I give you some things, other things like vlogging and things. If you want, so comment me and so watch till end and enjoy. Sing a song. Take video. Sorry, today I'm singing a song. So if you like, then don't laughing at me. Okay. So I'm तुमसे मिलना बातें करना बड़ा अच्छा लगता है तुमसे मिलना बातें करना बड़ा अच्छा लगता है क्या है ये क्यों है ये क्या पता है मगर जो भी है बड़ा अच्छा लगता है तुमसे मिलना बातें करना बड़ा अच्छा लगता है जब भी तुम सब्सक्राइब करते हो मगर जो भी है बड़ा अच्छा लगता है तुमसे मिलना बातें करना बड़ा अच्छा लगता है
Wow!
To like my video, post it and comment in comment. You remove your makeup. You don't like this is wrong technique, guys. First of all, you have to need to take moisturizer, any moisturizer you can take, and applying and massage very gently. First, massaging. Your skin is get nourishing and hydrating and soft. It will soft. But you rubbing directly, that time your skin itching, stretching, stretch mark you get. So today I give you three of things. First of all, how to hide your dark circles. Second thing, how to apply your brush. So many types I teach you. And third thing, how to remove your makeup. Okay, now I have to need take wipes and clean it. It's very gently cleaning. You can see. You can see, guys. All makeup is overall clean. Wipes. Wipes. I hope you get your answer. How to remove. You know, makeup do is not very difficult. Makeup removing is very difficult. Many people have pimples and more things in that their skin redness is not. If you remove like this, you don't do anything to your skin. Okay.